Good day guys, welcome to my channel, A Day with Mary. So today it's a product review of
have the Ryobi 2000 PSI Electric Pressure Washer.
Wait, for how much did you buy this for?
I got it on Direct Tools Outlet for $89.99.
$89.99.
The link will be in the description below.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna test this out here. I already cleaned up over here. This is gonna be another spot that I'm gonna clean up. Removing the dirt from the wood. We have the nozzle, the nozzle jet tip.
It includes what?
It includes two other tips.
So two tips.
Three tips.
Three, okay. Wow, look at that, that's different. Wow.
Make a comparison later, take two pictures.
Yep. So you can also put soap here.
Yes.
And then it comes with this thin hose. What do you say, thin hose?
Yep.
And you plug it in and turn it on and voila. So again, wow.
Better on like the actual concrete.
So that tip makes like a swirly thing.
Yeah, circular motion.
Okay, and then the
It's
other
not
two.
as direct as the other ones.
Can you try the other two, please? So that's a container. Oh, that's how.
Put the tips.
I see. And it's very convenient, yeah. Portable. Oh, there you go. So that tip makes what?
This is more of a direct.
More of a direct.
Like a point of contact, and you want to remove oil stains or any stains on the concrete.
I see.
Don't recommend using this on your vehicle or on wood.
So recommended use on vehicle.
Nope.
Oh no.
Stay away. The good thing about this pressure washer is that it doesn't stay. It's not a continuous running pressure washer.
Oh, because you pressed.
It builds pressure and it shuts off upon the pressure build. The pressure washer will turn on once you pull the trigger, and it senses the pressure drop.
So what model is this again?
It's the Ryobi 2000 PSI.
Ryobi 2000 PSI. Okay.
And just a reminder on using this pressure washer or any pressure washer, be careful and don't direct this to anybody or anyone because it can easily cut through flesh and it can cause serious injuries. And we're also using this to clean this very old and very dirty slide, as you can see, and it's very satisfying to watch, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it helps, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and hope to see you again on the next episode of A Day with Mary.